Masicheme nacho.
Hi guys, welcome to another episode of the Blackish Diaries. I'm sitting here to make sure that's right. Hey, what about quarter?
Oh, shame.
And you know what, ne? The funny thing is, I go check. All out to quarter, Mara, Wakobon.
That's the thing. But yeah, maybe I guess it was just a bit.
Because the thing is, okay, no, now I don't know what complain on Abanga Bobon. Hey, dear, I sharp me. Oh, okay, and them to the commenter. Hey, it is Zana Chivamba is true. Nichimlo rest Zombo count our 20 minutes. Into notice our animatic. So I'm like, yeah, Mara, nothing comes down the details. So, yeah, anyways. Huh? Notice you. Notice if you. I think I'm going. And then go to return. Femin. It's not done true.
How could you go? Ichijama slippers younger.
It's not a cut up. What are done? Can you
not a problem.
Then I call lunch buff. Then I must go.
The Pedros.
Hey, Nafuna Makuala. I don't the guys now. Oh, I still say no. It's ready. Ukata
so you guma kamini?
Ukata magona kumbo obvera nakana. Like bakwa bona camera.
It's okay.
All right. The barco avoid if mini na go leg room, headroom. Yeah, headroom with that is.
All right.
Some do production. Anyways, as I said, what gungura then na in okay, Zneka 1 day and 5 hours and 3.2k. Out of Nizama Pongo man.
3.2. Wow. And you drop them over. So imagine how it's gonna be in 7 days.
I don't even want to imagine anything.
I'm gonna break a record. 1k so far.
Okay, she's number one. The last 10 that are property in the first day and 5 hours. Then number one at 3.2k. Number two is H&M at 2.3k. And then
2.3k is
no.
Or in 5 days.
In 1 day, 5 hours. Yeah, H&M you work at 2.3k. Rune, it's funny how H&M your dropper, yeah, 3 hours is at 70 views because there was a glitch on YouTube that day.
Oh, Mara, eventually.
It just actually it was 7 hours. Yeah, no, 1.5k.
Wow.
From 70 and because I want a glitch and I'm like, eh.
Mara, age you don't already blind.
Na madam banja. Nurturing sa soul.
Oh yeah, Illuminati. Exactly. Oh, there's also that.
Yeah, that's what I heard. Yeah. And then I'm not confirmed. I'm like, yeah. So I was just saying, guys, hey, we're very sorry about the quality ya audio. I was not and I was saying solution. Solution is sorry. Ninga sir guest ka good than repair. Eh, bro, wala wana kamba zwithi.
Noyibona yini?
Besides yes, nangona nipedza nanga siphe madzino. Ako drop madzino la ngwana.
Ini zvino madzino no ativera mini. Na kushava mini.
No, ndi bathu vane. Don't serious ramadiva.
And then
if I you dead.
I don't get it.
No, Rama career dza vathu apo.
Okay, akuri bo renga. Okay.
Nazo fana.
Oba kuri mini bo renga.
Eh.
Zvino ezo zvino career ya nuri ino renga. If you buy bums, does it kill your career?
It wouldn't because nothing mara.
But okay, what do you have a ringa bomara? So what does black couch have to do with anything?
Okay, not any no umbelori update tune because the only way I would know ndimsi optomambo sorry ndokatana ndari because obviously nenangwe are ndokatana ndatenda ndaita mistake ndibondisikati ndozifa ndi problem yangori eno no sorry ndokatana mara if any mnesa guest are please nikata madzini mara ndikodumamba I was like yeah, let's do it.
How do you ask wambo total?
Oh, ndadonya kumadiva zvino ndidotokona kumbona muthu apanda ngi
vaya mapanda vathu
that's the thing.
This gospel artist
Una gospel artist vala vetu
una mfunzi zvino uima panda akuitani muthu one omalawo ngori ari nomala ni murapa
DJ why mapanda
ndima DJ manga nomala Venda
tidibizo
asibanje abaho naho ndinyo mala Venda wa DJ
fizo zangu mala na
Cable Boys no. Not even the manager, not even I know mara wapa
Come Cable Boys. Link yangu mara.
Jim dimza zao aroma.
Mtu mulwa nene utonga mtu ari nomufumakadzi
ndimutodzi vibes avala mtu avakotojaya zvino okay guys ndikoza munhu wanera dziclue ukotohana tanga ndozama
ndikozvipezvakodhana clue ni break it down kama ive vomalawo
kuti vanhu vari kudhisa snake umasha ndizoropedza ushuta ndisongola okay anyways yeah
and then so she was just dropping names then I'm like oh wait guys veweningeta zorenga wait mara uraringisa mara aungori borenga right
oribomudema
udema badema oditolisavo cause mutu.
It was so funny because ndiyamfollow on Instagram I think since yeah I do uba mara umfollow on Instagram nazo hana post explicit content on Instagram Instagram unoposta ndimpo remember mpo the Venda melanin that girl hola when I rekom to the
hola wa
hola where hothe so oyo like ndomufollow ngori she followed me so I had to follow back because I was like okay ndiyambona unondo ndiyatangana yafi stories
join ani nine
ujoina mini
oni follow ori intent industry hule Venda
ndiyobona ntu kai OnlyFans
no ini niyo ba muthu wa OnlyFans ubonu ini
ndotothoma ngagaine azomona mwe ndiwe ni brave as but also it was so shocking ndichithoma umfollow ndichibona abantu bonomufollow nasere I'm like
hola wena lewe point where is it
bathu babiwa bakubiya bapha
ndoitantu tindodropa
kechi futhi ndichopedzera chena chisecha otoma uyu washo khona ni yasho niyamdiwa ndi otoma ava niyabadiva
tiyabona sana ndibapiyo obviously chikwela chipi man chorava mtu business yavo ndiyawo nimpentu bawani ndiyorenga achibvafi zvino ndichifanira zone achihide chara ndikunyagoyorenga ava mtu vakuita business
our
yavo
mutuals ndichitodzivona nerwasendare yadu ndinovatanga vamwe colleagues anga hapo
nava mtu ava
aviyo
hava unoniyawo unodhaka podcast yavo aripedzise avo verify wavo ari vatode vakanyakomnamedza chigwe china mutu ichi
nditomuisa the dunes carlex
ini zvino vatokoda mutane
sorry vatonayo the dunes ndivanji sorry
ngori nafistos dandikamrola mwanati I dropped the trailer and then 2 comments come in they're like oduma anongwana nendikodziusori hofi black achidza oduma aona
exactly
mini okay ndikadzava mudo ndipi ndikanasofinwa ajana comment ichikori yari mini la comment actually I can just check I have my phone today because there's no
but
prep.
People need to stop thinking with the watu oduma what if I feel like we also bring watu vane vakhoto oduma you know
because
can also be it can also be
like avangoduma either way
exactly so urinoduma urichikotedza watu oduma
so I'm like hey thumbnail la yasingodzora zvakuti
no one I mean let
me check that thing oh yeah kids yeah theory are you famous ada mungarmen she's not even famous mus I saw black couch ubidzwa watu va famous pedzi okay ndamoni mtu akubudzisa havala then echigona chada chafunda chari I don't have to be famous for you to know me ndingazonombona afistos nandivana sinda DM
who's that I don't know church kopindurani ndoibona church kopindurani
oyo mtu ajana niko mtu kamziya mdiyo there's 2 people
damn
unaimwe yabidina yako ndivela yore what I'm like what
lingolari and chafedza chari and one of you just asked my numbers on DMs lol when you have no data bakwine ngarine bathuni shame marani busy na DM how do you say one of you or ini how do you comment nanga picture nanga screenshot
nah I'm sure
once
no damn hola or delete her comment yawe
that's why you're Sarah
hey mara ndina screenshot zvaone
good
kezu yapa
fire
so I'm like oh
yo guys
so hey I was like ndotoma mna wandichaida
man people need to stop attacking these girls man I mean only fancy ashanga kale one muthu afi wadifoda nyakatsatsa
yeah they were if it's haza
ni I'm a street girl
asento ndikofuna ntu no chindichibva
ngondiani niyabhora ndandikadhiri people need to stop bashing vatu vanoita izvizvi because zvino havachadzidzi musi you know unlike kare when people would like take pictures vatozvirumera kavatu you know and sell them maybe chidzumbeni but now it's like very open. So I don't see why you should bash a person that's coming forward and saying, I sell content, buy my content.
Exactly.
So,
the fact that
Hagoshona already. So what makes you think what you would say would make her feel better about herself, you know? So
but
and people are doing worse things.
Like what?
I don't know. Like they do. They probably do also take content like that. So they think they are better.
It's funny how she said.
But
Nori. Akamara. Watu wafoda dzinudzi. Vasenda watu vavaswane cheleda. Sikino disa unena do monetize.
And mtu wanuwa one avosendwa ngavamwe vana. So they are not special. Kana zimedza majita.
Hey baby, wait, if you need a one time, if then I'm phone.
One time I'm not trouble in there and I'm phone. I feel like you guys do that a lot. Futini, that's when I need you one time because you have 2 phones. So it's pointless. I know the minute you one time she don't need to they go phone you know to keep her.
Nah man, change just. No, besides you don't know it's just like why? Muntu kunyanga ndichibona kuti so randi tezvezvo.
Vaini ana mikho you. I respect him to amsiyo mukana.
Why lako say?
Ana mikwa.
Sakuma.
Anyways, it's okay if you say so, but
so yeah man. Oh nankambo it's funny. Oh wait, nanye kuri me. Andikufuna pa London mapungo pupa. Sakuma like
mumbula ndikoshimela murawo.
Ntinda chumula zwa biscuits
ngoro. Ende vari farele votu ukoroshola. Vakoma kuti vana. Every hey daddy.
Wana mbafunza mthono.
Hey daddy.
Ni wana mbafunza mthono.
Ndikuzvipa mbivi ndi mtu. Mtu erashuma naye. Yaphela koraro yaphela kanjalo. Into yamnorapela.
Nachunya kuhamba zwito. Ro di refa.
Mtu ndi di refa.
Nda mikwa.
Linkolu.
Ne the one talk of perform. Ini wana nkori ndige. Ino ringi ndige.
Nguzwana nkoni novala.
That's why. We're very screenshot. Doesn't a barre.
Okay. No one usiene ji. No one ndiso wangwalo rehezo ji.
Tambera fara.
Ni umbere. You owe me something.
What do I owe you?
Anjo unzo acha uzobo already.
No man.
Rono faronga mapolisa. Ya bail ngiyibona. Tina nayo ubhaji nayo rina onda bail out ndi ubendi ayani.
Nah man. What's that person? Like I was like, wait. So now I'm sitting to go back again, you know.
And I didn't.
Yeah, check or no ring. Now this go. I'm like his tongue is no man.
Nah. Okay. Is he not married even?
He is married. Don't know if Makhadzi.
You see, to come back. Says anything them do.
Not him.
Ah, damn it. Ariza bhanda.
Yeah, one go no there too. One go gay.
Ndiribudziwa ndichiko ndibudza ndandikobvozvibudziwa ndaba ndikotypa ende mutoni hana chipiri like what the fuck ende ubudzwa muthu hawe zvino zvonsikutsanganana wahawe the cousin yes so ndikotoita dzitunjinji like what the fuck like what the hell dog
no ndikoti this day
but yes and the content all muthu position yawo is so big
not anymore
mara he still has the power because he has the money if you have the money you have the power basically abola mtu ainge unako jela unokudiro jena mara he has the money already so already awe yagori
arite mubiza daga blackout
onoda
ndikufuna ni bar ma
arrekata arrevale episode
ni bar like raro so bachona chinga fela Nikro vosolva mapungo on already mubiza
mara ningasala chisova nono chinya 100% na banet even
it's fine.
Let's close it.
Nah, it's a cut.
Ayube yotofumule ipati yote. Endere afaro polisi.
Ngazifariwe. Bili someone ami anyopo. Ni divanyi wa give and I want wa ane ramdio.
Like ane aba openly gay.
Wait, now zumba mao. Wait. Hey, I did code it. Untu ndi gay.
When I'm interviewer. Guys, interview website. Ari kuvonya roshera mavu because it's not working.
Okay,
no, atutuzvifa inosvake.
ndikufunda so ikoshava
So guy. Hey, so rukiwa no rukiwa.
yeah papa so like I was like wait can you
Hey guys, hey, arifiri.
no ndikuzama mbavuri I'm like
Okay.
okay
Bomkuba, bomkuba likwini.
Mkuba,
Hey
Mkuba.
guys, hey,
What do you think of that?
Where you were?
Actually, so
Where
if you wewe nifonga ne Chivenda atichikoni Chivenda narava na wewe
She's so cute though.
What do you mean? You knew that before?
That's all I want to do is not kuchata. Remember you spoke about it and
something.
something. Ndikombona mzikuchiamba. Benga ndo followers you know ndakonobona na YouTube video. Actually the 2 days before achi drop a hela message. Ndabona ndonibuzoro ndabona I even spoke about it, right? Video yaona baby na muna.
Oh yeah, you spoke about it the last episode.
Obona ndikotomo follow in love nacho. Ndibuzoko chiri way when what? Is going on here, sunshine? What is happening, baby?
Yeah, so hey.
Actually, we're not typing about it. There are people that are saying, she must have been really fed up, but that's why she decided to like speak up. And then there are group in Kori, it doesn't matter what happens, you don't bring out dirty laundry. Yeah. What do you think?
Which one are you?
I am like, if she's fed up, she should talk.
I feel like that's the thing though. Because also I know bottlers too. So line nothing on home from the inside.
Apart from that, because a lot of people are saying no. I mean, she also resolve the family and whatever. I'm not saying that is how Umkuba is, but I'm gonna make an example. Let's say I get to have kids now, and then I have a family. As she's saying, now I know that I'm really, really like moneyed. Now I know that my siblings were supposed to because grocery and whatever.
Yeah.
Do you think a
you
person like that ningashkaka family nare una issue so let's address it. It's a thing that everyone knows, but they depend on her. Rune nobody can do anything about it.
Exactly.
I'm not saying that's what's going on, but then I feel like she got to that age and then now she wants. Also, she's not a person who so she's a very pretty girl with like she loves doing Barbie stuff. She's just
I went
and watched all her stuff. I've been discover YouTube and it's not an obsession. If someone is interesting, you watch videos that guy. In realize YouTube content you
like maro
literally all at kwamba no, I watched the one let me tell you.
Here's the thing. Mara
no, Mara vlog okay, ndichibuya mshumoni okay, let's say if I'm cooking.
Yeah.
It's either the podcast kind of vlog because there's no way I'm going to watch a movie if I'm cooking. And I don't want to listen to music. I just want to listen to something. So from 6 till I sleep at like 9 or 10. So I'm just saying Uri. She didn't strike me as the fact that in the incident you wouldn't start with your mom if it wasn't that deep. So I think we shouldn't think she's exaggerating or because we don't know what she's going through.
Did you think she was hacked? I shot her drop all a message.
I thought she was hacked.
Why did you think that?
Because I didn't think Uri, even if I could expose was not I didn't see it coming.
So you thought maybe
I thought it was someone. I didn't think I thought it was someone.
So you thought she would do it?
Hey, I write it off mood. Anything is possible. Anybody can do that. It's like you can never be sure. So I actually thought it was someone and havafuni kana una chitori china kunya kuchibvisa I decided go through page yangwana. That's what I thought. Yeah, but I'm not saying she wouldn't do it. What do you think?
Okay, obviously as a pastor, you never think of bad. You're like, oh, maybe she's always good to the kids. Like she wants to be an example to the whole congregation. So out of him, you're like, nah, and
also I didn't believe it because exactly. It looked like they had a very strong connection. It looked emotional a bit, you know.
Yeah, but it was emotional because
not
now the guy should up his game.
Ngobeni.
Oh, nishikamba zvachere zvori vasupporta say the family is around, so she can't go to those people and say bad things because
Yeah.
do you think now because she went to money, because maybe wakom support her, so now she's someone who's supporting her, so she's like, okay, I want support her, fuck it, ndikwamba ngawo ndikubvisa chimwe na chimwe wewe unosara wachiko dependa kavo ndibone wanadwanedza mara nezvino ndikwamba zvanga. Because I thought of it now because wait, well I'm trying to nape. That guy is moneyed.
Yeah, apparently he's
not even apparently.
Filthy.
And you want to charity.
Come in, Ngobeni are you, okay? No, let's be realistic. No, you wanna go.
No, I'm not just so okay.
Because I don't follow him, I don't know him from anywhere, I don't know anything about him.
Relationship is short more Venda, Yana. I think someone sent me a thing, their Instagram page. I was here and it's just his company. Then I saw what he does because it's in civil engineering. I was like, oh.
So, no, those the word is rich when she said on the video, when they met, Achimudiema, Forex was going up. And then, so if you think.
I watched the video also. I was like.
Yeah, but it was really sweet.
Like, why did you recommend that?
You just don't love.
Maybe I have enough. Come on.
So I don't have enough. I go around looking for it on YouTube.
So you got me.
You're the Sorry,
I'm just kidding, man.
No
You have enough
problem.
love. The guy loves you. Yeah, I've seen. You're always happy. Story, yeah. Just status. Sorry. Yeah.
But then again, remember, Obono graduate, maybe I could funga richard day away, Akushuma, it wouldn't sustain her or she wanted more. That's also possible. She doesn't need her anymore. But then also again, Havala Kayla status your Tom or post a screenshot. This is a screenshot of my mom a few days before my wedding, when she broke into my room. So it might be possible, or maybe so maybe it really just did get
Wait, did
worse.
she say that?
She didn't want her own daughter to get married.
When
Yeah, okay. So I feel like the one thing that took me out was the son situation. Which the brother which rape
like what?
Oh, flip.
Because over jail.
Oh no. Rape. The protection order disappeared. But then guys, let's look at it like this. Whether I'm a pastor or not, if my son messes up, do I bail him out or not?
Exactly what I said to someone. Was it to you?
Because it's very tricky. Yes, I'm a pastor.
This is my blood.
Mara, is my son going to sleep jere? Because I'm a pastor. And as you know, Mara party it's wrong.
Oh, cancel
abuser.
Okay, yeah, that's something.
That's something else because now you're trying to use God into he's not supposed to be part of. But
yeah, Mara, I feel it to them one I guess.
Mara lingasi veka inimi amton repao. I don't think Jena. Personally, I don't think I would get it. Would it make sense to you? Okay, inini rape wenga karadzi anga zvino ndideka ini ndideve ndikoretanga mudzimu zvinosvinga vachita.
Rani shimsani nani why no rape karadzi anu. Let make it make sense. Make it make sense.
No go rape.
No ways. Era rwachi kuda. Cheka mukuru ide jodware.
Unoza that you're to belo rivutsi. No ya mapurisa no mara chikafu na mazasa. Ndoko yoko boni ndosara arimene. Narndo rape wakale 2000. Wakale 2000. Ujo nito bezomwani ndibulai gore arikali lichi. Ndo pesa sorry.
Exactly.
Kudaba bachika. Okay, guys, rape is not a laughing matter.
Okay, you've been laughing the whole time.
I've been smiling, not laughing.
And this is not the first time you talk about it, Nase.
No, I'm going to smile because I'm smiling. I have a smiley face.
Yeah, I'm just saying, content is going out there. People are getting to know about one of our phones. Oh, so nan kamba uri also team. Not panema ko. Oh, remember la shunga cha move invest college dziko valiwa na mini.
Like what a million?
Because they're not like paying out their. I mean, abako submit zvavo for SARS and taxi one. I mean, the finances dzavo. So people are asking already. So land to vala. Jambori, Renetio Shai Chava credible na Rene Rogera Town. They were like, no, the school is accredited. We were eligible for Schumann degree, or any certificate. So I'm like, just like Wafunzi, the congregation, like, I don't talk about the funds as you know, our Bibidin. So just because when we talk about it doesn't mean we review our funds are wrong. Because now people are like blaming the church instead of the pastor. Because those are two different things. There's a pastor or lead, obviously, and we're now funds upon one person. So they're like, okay, every church is like pastors below. Because one of them, yes, all those the associate pastors. So just because I feel my so wait here something. Would you assume, this whole 20 years back 24 by the way?
Is a problem. I think the problem comes in. Okay, I think Amba is different. When you see CWC, Yawumkuba, Yawo Murigo Kamus, because Bana's the branch, Mara, like.
I don't think.
No,
I'm not referring to branches. Like okay, yes.
In cases like that, I would blame the church, not just the pastor.
Why?
Because she is the church. It's different. Niko says Lutere ni totoriwa. So apela she makes the rules.
Yeah, but
then
you don't get to blame.
So apela there's no like Lutere it's a ndi kombori zvapera kana ari varova ungatopangiwa mumwe, you understand. So it's not like ndi mufunzi wa Lutheria manini I can just say now ichi chiambara kachibe blue and then it happens. It doesn't work like that. There's like a higher power. So with hedzi dzashu dzine ngori ndi ntsva dziboto dzithomela vone vane, our pastors are basically the church.
But
because
what I'm saying
whatever
is
happens
it's not wrong.
No, I don't
no, like kerekeni zvambori na zvinhu zvakuitwa kerekeni them like vakonifunza ngo ya Bible
mara vachiri zvinhu zvakuitiwa kerekeni avakuamba the word.
No, zvine zvakufunziwa.
Yes.
So like people are like zvambori kufunza zvisi zvawo and all those things.
But that's also possible.
Are diving or atuya. That's why I'm doing example ngamthana ramdiwa.
Yeah.
Because I don't feel what else viewer gang I'm funding them divine. Nijena gang, what my table laboratory. I've via much. You're not gonna come and say some more all these years back funda so as you be just because waiter or mistake by Jerry.
Nikuzvibona zvino uri zviyapambana yovhiya namini ndiyazvipfa mara ndingoipfa mse ukobvi mutu wari mutu oraipiwa apedza ayamufunza akuitela uri asongofari like ndimani kutodo protect. So here's the thing,
it's not exposed to everyone. Rine so not vane va counselor vavoni, but then rine on a Sunday ribona an actual pastor nurifunza zvo zvine radiva. I'm sure vavona something different. Like,
I think we should just wait for Sunshine to bring more because
Sunshine akobuya ngandrea twanga ono Cape Town.
But because zvinono
akata kana wa pano South Africa,
I don't know
akadwa. Oh,
so I was still saying uri I would actually feel like that as well when it comes to the word, not uri avangobuya vavhuwa vana ndodzo uri mudzimu wangu varuma, ningaona uri like vodiva ndimfunzi wakuma
maybe.
But then now the problem becomes nichikobva izvo zvithu zvote zvinhu zvokuambiwa zvezvori. Because here's the thing, Ngobeni had spoken about it before Makhadzi said anything. Because Tiobo was exposed last year. So, and she spoke about how you treat your husband, yada, and all that.
Yeah.
So, my question is, when you preach as a pastor, are you giving us the true word, or are you giving us things that suit what you do so that when they come out, you don't look like a bad person?
Yeah, that's one thing that's possible.
And then do you understand? So, the whole time because you should be a woman, you should be strong. Do you understand? You never know. It's very I don't know, man. Sunshine must just come back because Oripabu point will be Rushaba.
I don't think
sabotage. What is it? What happened? What happened? And I video yamzi.
Where did you go?
And I video yamzi. Oripabu mujanira camera. Do you know what it looked like?
Okay, Neila to watch. I thought of
AKA.
Like that's what I
really keep it.
Like if you're Tavera.
So I'm like, oh guys, no ways. You're not bad. But anyways, that's what I thought. That's what I thought.
Listen, Mara
vatu vakereka vaize pandani yakerekeni. Mara vangasi stop, eh? vhathu
Yeah.
vha funa vha kereke dzavho sure na rine zwino hapfi huma dzinge vho itani nothing is gonna move us
Yeah, nani ngozviamba. And then ndadziusa na muthu ndanikwambani uri hafi ini mufunzo unoitani. Ari
mara zva mureto ndi zvone zvine nṋe ndapfa ndi si tsha pfesesa
Why?
atiko hahana you are very loyal to your pastor mara fungone aḓalesa
Waitani mara mrito. Hemna one accident just like anyone.
zvaxident ndi zvisva ndi brand new ndi kale muthu akuita zwizvo
Kama za jele chizino.
una video
Wait. Ufintuni.
obva kana ngori the brother
Jele angoida nthu zva
hangoira zvaxident
no.
oira mini
Oira neya.
upfi ngori apparently the mwana wavanai kana ndiyene umufarisawo for rape because apparently he's even under
One kwambira fast.
tindula weapfi tindule mwana weapfi ola ojiwa aisiwa isibhatirela achakuma kulaisiwa chiti dzini mara guys zviwevo akotiwere muthu ovaisala abhonyore lito liti are nditomubhaderera atikotori nini mara una zvithu zvine zvimwe ndi zvashu navabhebi are ndi under age zvakukuma nene ndetinayo medical aid before people come for me I also don't have it and yazvumbulori ndobva nabradza akadzirira cherere vakudzidza vajiva tharesa andolala ndoindira mini yatembisa mara ndikasivhuwa zvino ndari my friends are fake it doesn't make sense who do I blame in that case
exactly nani kwapi na
ndandikuagaina nne hoti yatototevera tidhivinga mbiri ndikasitomamira kuri
ende dza private dzi adachika 6 dzodoja vatu vaviri
mara zvinozvo zvidecideiswa hani
hani
like uri nina medical aid mini
I think nanyunusa yone zvino nikwambura wavdivisana huna uri huna
uri inini medical aid cause vani isa wavo kamzi vani vudzisa zvezvo ndingadhiva mara vala vatu vavo vaisara rune vavasangokonwamba
ati una vamwe vane
and kwamba havo rikwamba ngai hini rikwamba ngayo zvino
munetashikokonwamba
no didn't he look fine he looked fine
I just saw the picture on NHC.
I'm a real content creator. Jokes aside.
Yeah, for
I would love Murito as a friend, not just for vibes. That guy is a content creator.
Hey, hi.
But for the way I was better, I'm so much for Derry Babonya.
Oh, in this sense.
Come for the ICU.
That is not drippy.
This is not
Wait,
drippy.
not drippy. Oh,
No, bandage.
So, all of it, no, man.
Hey, that man is funny as hell.
Oh, none come you can uri. I think all I'm to overcome be what? Because what happened is that Otura. Police don't answer to that. Go to police. So I would do the man with. That's how South Africa works.
That's what I'm to say. Amufara.
What party has seen is you? About it that you cheat.
Who do they were very good?
Just South Africa who do more better. So if you example, I'm a Danish in the moon.
Ngami?
I just want to say I mean. That's also when election by NHC. And then my police are calling me. No, right after you don't flee from the scene. If in that those are just statement na me. Namor dodarani. Itantu statement inchi ba right.
I don't like that rule though.
Then what's your NHC? Hacho.
Kuna guy chizini.
How or this church probably that. So that's not come to zamur obokambiwa. So I'm not going to amanga do it as brutalize na mean. Ba NHC vamwana mbiti mangasiti brutalize.
Chinofarelwa mini ndabina kurofarelwa zvezvo.
Ofarelwa rape you just said.
Ndotozvipfa hezvo.
Nani ndotozvipfa inofunga zvino ndiva ndione zvimwe zvikuitea.
Ini nifonera ni naye.
Nomfonera mulova asifara.
Murizo. Mfonera nzvi.
Hayi. I think let's try.
Mfonera rivacheke apa musi.
Tiko ari kuvacheka rikova kudari.
Riri rokona chanda chiche chapona.
I don't think udofara.
Rokona bandage.
Phew. When was it?
When kubva biko?
Yeah. Andofonera kuti vanji mulova. Oh.
Nenzi ngomfonera.
Unfonera ngale duba. Catch. Nipumule. Hello.
Enda ureni?
Ndio vanhu vari vomurito.
Ndio ndikusangeza.
Ndi right ngoche ndalendela chiramba ile ndo chiri ndi dekerken rite zoshuta ndoenda romela Jobeg vakodela ndinga ngeno
Ndivoro barengezi.
vakubvaniki vakubyeli
Chelo ni dwalo.
mulowa ndofuna ndingo ari waifare rada roshuta
Mulo vanandi ndolenda namusi ndikepsa mulo vanji vona tena ndikisajisi.
vabanga byela lini apo ne Jobeg ratoshuta zvavudi rotoamba nena mufunzo wanga
Apo mpeni ngoma manzi ende on 26 27 28.
Okay 26 ditori ndivafonera
Kana matatu.
thank you
Thank you.
va right mara
Jote.
abe ndosoguma zvinepe zvikoreredza kasocial media ndari ahi hava muthu ndingadzi vafonere vasati va right
the right shot.
ri takala ri ḓo vhonana
Venda.
alright sharp thank you
Buti.
Easy.
ri ra vaprofita va Cape Town
Levels. Yo ni ngozi kugungula ni ngozi kuva posta no dzula ndisina na data wone va Cape Town wange vana chipinga ichi.
avadini unofa
Avana no problem vamthu. Soft nakakupodka vangada ende vamwe avana stress.
hari havari va right guys
Zvini busy ngozi kuva soda ka social media. No dzula ka single bed mine nje yotsuka ngapasi. Ningoshumisa Facebook mode. Even free mode.
oh aichayo
Really?
fiyetantu ndobona nodhokufi ndobona post uri padotoluza dzicustoma vidiko dziyado vada comedy toisa free
Mara vokotsi vakoboresa.
so I was like
Ini vachanda vana Facebook.
nah
Hai vasingova nayo.
mianga vanayo vana friend tindine ndata vani friend
Vana
vanhu
mungana mungana mti.
vavokotera ubona fimin service dza fasting lashping
Oh.
vaitantu nobona dza tina zvinhu ndana tina namusi
No, that's why nonsense yanto.
min tonisenda min hey chinyadzina oh and then also ne
Mungana kumbura utomeriwa man. Ndo tukulesha jara.
Andiwana nazvino.
Ndikuchimisa imwe mari slow.
oh ai sorry man then also naona imwe pandemic yavantu yadzi event organizers Venda sakubhadhelwa vathu
Again and again and again. Ndika
Back-
ndomuona kuhambiwa somewhere.
navanene then I was like this guy ufina uri nakare event yamatekisi ngobhadhela vaimbi
Event ya matiki ndiyo why? Yeah,
efe sneaker fest
ubombo sneakers zokuma.
zvakumani
Ngwambori uamba
Ngwambori.
sneaker na usuri akuma na. Heyo ndindwa inaringa iwini. Ari iche.
yeposanga tambe
Hey, yori.
auna chinova ufana overworka like not
Na weka so hata wazana direka na fake.
Oh, ndio bana kabligzi.
Ndio bana kantambe nani.
so I was like damn mara ndingo so here's the thing ti ndikangobhadhela asati apparently nanye ndinye
As mutambi dende win.
Ziara.
Aziara.
No,
I know it
I
was
think-
Asati and somebody else that
Yeah.
were complaining.
Yeah.
Matizo wa complaining ngakigintini.
and I'm pretty sure vanga vangocomplaina because they don't have the platform to you see those ones vatoamba zvinhu everyone is gonna know uri ndikangobhadhela
And you know what hurt me the most is when I saw the comments and then mom to obudza Ndika WhatsApp. I think it was a screenshot.
Oh,
And then it
yeah,
was like
ndiwo manje.
ngori oyamba like did the remove like something like it's like you wait
50 randa kana eh
I don't think it is.
no like zvazo ngwana
Hey.
wakazi chat so 50
It's
angatorera
the
50
fact
randa
that
asa
ndizvo zvila zvine inini vaisa mutu and then you expect them to react the way you would want them to react like nisongombadia whether ndi 300 kandi 100 randa I use my money to come there probably had to get a haircut so I can
Yeah.
perform properly. We need to stop underestimating them because they don't need as much. That should mean abanayo totally cherede they need it. So namsi no banoranga na 500 nasamufa you're on the wrong.
like no
It doesn't matter if you are more famous than the artist kana nichizozo inina mob no donimera ka Facebook. It's really unfair.
No,
If
this-
realize that but he needs to pay them.
zvifani because it happened at the same time yantu nawewe ti so wewe achikotrenda ndika avasichiwa kafacebook because ori oposta kawhatsapp akori oh Makhadzi ombloka futi then ndazvirealize later uri oh upfuko koroda vathu ti ndobva and then hezvi uchikotrenda nti awewe kulini yewewe
It's fine. If you will.
no uchikotrenda nti yaMakhadzi so avakori mini zvikombava uri ndikobhera uya kafacebook nava ndikucomenta una mudhifo wasona mina then ndarealize uri no man ndikanga akushaya mapungo awo addictivata Facebook ene mune
mufonere nombudzisa.
namusori kufona ndotorengere time
ndongwaziuma zviti vatu vaone vakadichira.
yeah so I was like but then
ridohambira nevo vasicheho vari vakadivaoneka vadiyambere.
walive iti kana nzidzipiyo
Oh, havala ndikwine vorasi kubudzisa chito so I guess.
amara nandofuna
Zvino ochange na phone number. 50 rand ndinjiri.
I think yeah
Mara 50 rand
And I was like,
ngazi.
why would you do that? Even if ufa 50 rand 500 na mimi. Ndinotaka mu event yakonda and songweta ntu. Songa sokwamba okay maybe udofara. And udzira ntu nange. Ufika hapo Northwest.
Artist.
Ndi Northwest, the other one, Sun City.
No, you're not first.
So I was like, oh, this guy. Phone is somewhere don't. Somewhere else chirafu. Abonga interview. Yeah, so there's. Oh, and then also everyone started coming out. Atomo that's all white party Makhadzi.
All white party as last 10.
Razikena inatumamba I took a screenshot ya Razike. Aya mapongoti ya
I just saw Stan. What was the difference in zones? Sunday.
Speaking of that, Dobiaka Razike. Why Skero was your bed in you?
His grandmom passed away, so we're phone.
But then why Fistos all the way? That's Skero's birthday foot.
I didn't go report over you no itiwa.
Besides eso, I'm sure about no itant. Ona musikero marwa or actually I remember chambori rodoshimsa chigwena chadze chaprele instead of Skero.
No, Maria could you do by ye could you pay do by itiwa. Typically being over the problem.
Zamin.
I don't know, I think it was artists they were not getting the people they wanted or something.
Didn't you book out Palafid? Who's Skero actually to bed there? Who book Skero kind of Fistos you should book also.
I think Mune wa gigi. I think ubuga mune wa gigi.
Anending at this point. The Fistos can this.
Fistos, very o'clock in the Fistos.
Then Skero wako wana mini. Utamini have you bed in there?
I don't know how it works.
Because now I wouldn't say bed in there machi ya pira. That is like April.
But now you need to understand Uri. For as much as I don't know what Urugaina mean and whatever, I feel like for most clubs and what it's not what they both what they live issue masa marketing the club club Quran it works as it works as a marketing strategy because I would want to attend a party because in the Yongorofi Casper's all white you know it means something jambor crew yote gets paid the way on so maybe I think it works like the tizo ugaina mini mara I guess that's how it works so namsi yopira
first time
Nifistos fune ngezimo iko charge
mo first time
fungani for wine ngomba fune ngo yo look what and face
ndikori ndivula
chena na yimi ni president put the phones out kan
hey like it didn't make sense to me or okay why could do it and then also I just feel like maybe
azishuminga mingwedzi it's not like the party za crash zopfinda mzini make
na keke mbili wana ba December ababedde nga November hello
sure
hey ngori min Fistos ni live ya funza dori ari nibudzi na mzara kota mabozwivi too much nanya bobudzisa ti remember birthday ya Skero ya March ti yafukela okay angufukela birthday ufukela celebration ya one ya ka April and then there ola mtu ini man ko gain mini kana ndeno no buka ba imbi ene munne ngoro ko debate angazwa apa kuti ngarisa rwana
simple celebrate a birthday
so awona zwine apfi bo wini wanipa samthu no komu organizera niko mshimisa sa front
stop our conversations yafambana ungada inini zo Kingsley na Rocky Sharp nandina favor za so complete a birthday what I want is this much kana name pay 50% of what you get from the gate if what you're putting on the table makes sense it's okay I'm trying to that complete a birthday the rengana balloon and stuff kana complete a birthday but I'm not bringing anything on the table and I'm not taking anything
uyo disa notongo doba noi oya sadina mabaloni na chelede
as I wanted
to remember how we put up the lineup or the event
nikutonyaga ini page kala na pavo na ini don't right
because not for about nduri they want to build the brand so I gift you rather the party now you can take it next year and I'm saying you did it as
yeah
because nene muna o invest anga yondire na ndandani azuri oba ukuitwa something
zikomeka Fistos chotali party
chodali panyanya
wachinyazo ndachifaka Capricorn kila chipinga chikwamba ngachikuru
chapfa mike chiamba zvinofara
thank you right pesa
zero mserodzura ngachasho aona sheshe chinambo mntu
no wina tango tata ne vaviri wina nyi
wapfa da
haza kotate vanyotofini nipulule mapulo
wina Fistos
wow
sharp ndorembera ngachikuwa naye santu akabadziro timutemi
Mudropeni wa Valavara.
yeah, so okay, yeah, I feel like off the sharp zvinhu
Yeah,
zviri
it
sharp
works.
so birthday yeah ngaikoda fist those values ezvinhu
Birthday ngupira.
ati ikodhimana chimwe January
Oh,
matsikodzi yapera
daruru sichajerere rive.
sangoite zvozvitini so nandikadhiyamba ngantu ngarazike wamwamwa contexterana iganti yarazike
Razike.
So, haya mapungo-
Ngobara le paragraph la Razike.
atine ndivara fast chivenda mari chabharara
Okay.
haya mapungo oti aunopera kare rothe ronotohangwa ndikozama uri ndiwo hangwe but zvikobhara ndoshuma but mishumo yanga ikobhadhiriwa mumwe mutu oh nice vamuni iklisina vanokobhadhiriwa atikobhadhicherwa studio ngamutu ndotodhirekodha nga equipment yanga yenda todhirengera nyimbo atingomwarirwa ngamutu ndotodhimwarira nabit atingobhadhicherwa ngamutu ubva 2019 usvika zvino una nyimbo dzanga nji dzine okay yoda pese paragraph
That's what I was thinking. What are you trying to do?
naso ndovara chivachikaoda vosvika dzivakalaini yavunza like no guys. Yeah, so I feel like urefera karita diti because she's the one ane akamumanager before
Okay.
it's relative band of blind because she's been managing a lot of artists uchitwa vamwe kujena vamwe so people like Makhadzi otuwa and then we thought oh that was the end of Rita Dinami ayajia vantu people's
Oh, una people's.
not people's men I think and then there's also Kotia people's
Oh, that's why we record this. We didn't mean business. Giginyana.
oh Babylon we live
Oh,
recording
the live thing. Oh.
yeah and then there's also Arazike Obvalin so Arazike orare naye he was also part of it oh the words naye Makhadzi achibvuna vatu vosara vangu vakodhijena mini ukuita mini then I'm like yesu mara zvivyakela swinere vatu vadzira kwamba on Twitter and all that ori guys dzikontraka dzabeni kuzichekana kana
Yeah.
wakungosokori oh wadhipa antuni rikariko label yaritadi Makhadzi is getting 1 million views maybe nanendaya if ndawawo ndingadzitoya kaku 50 kana 100 views which is something for mtu wa Venda so I'm like vatu vasoko dhipera ngoite zvi zvote maybe naila ndiyo patanga kole mashawana ndane madzina naritadi udhibanyi
Obono bana rated after. Babono bakai basi vachipatirwa ndo.
vawakayo wakolbete
Una rumwe
Wait.
una runa ruchoka iTunes.
Wait.
Mara dzimwe dziona.
Does that mean oja nyimbo dzavo dzakare
aitocheka
aitantu
ne 9 ka iTunes. Sanga 9.
so oja nyimbo dzavo dzakare adzita dzawe
Huh?
is that what she did oh come on man
Mara dzadzobviswa dzadzobvara mvira mini. Ngaritadi.
no mara that's bullshit cause
Uitore dzibuye pasi yawe.
nena
Because here's the thing, I feel like now but really is
No,
that
that's the
hawala
one.
mtu he has like legendary songs dzine ahunori kana vabvisa. That's when nyimbo dzine they'll just always be those songs.
no that is because
Because also naruwa so you can't really compare the
mara the problem is adzibjinisa ka iTunes zvino dzikobhadhira ene cause odzibvisa kavo ti adzini
That's what I'm
pasi
saying.
yawo
Uri ozviitira zvezvo it's a smart move. Ngauri wazvidiwa
Mara
uri
vone
nadzinyimbo
matendera
dzimwe
mini.
dzine dzanga ndibono aruwa.
yezvorara navana mumbura ishumi sorry ndokata nazvezvi ndokwata
Damn, huku episode kudorosara ka 10 minutes.
no like tata tikopfeses
The fuck?
oh ndove ndavona inge ntiyavo mancha hadigayave ni royal garden vachikopefa vokolbete chikojia live ila selfie china na selfie charerefa ukopefa mavonokorara navana vatuku
Mara inini abajaja.
ne netina mando jaja ni vari Matthew
'Cause
7 verse 1 Matthew 7 verse 1
Irene.
I'm do not judge so that you not be judged also
Oh, ndimuzivote muri vone vachivara 60 vadokuwana yari kurara 50 vakonzira vori prepare habe internet yangu
ndoimanga Matthew 7 verse 1
internet
Hallelujah, guys.
yangu
ndari kuzvira chigwena Leticia vari chikavoma 70 yange internet dasingo chiyangu
nono vatodo vamupfunzi
yo okay mari sangovamba
internet yangu iyo ndiyaiopa internet
so hezvo zviyadina mani so
mara neti vajaji shem like I don't blame him yo
mtu mutuku okay ndingazifana mtu mutuku mtu murwane sana ngafana ngotovana achinipira ngamingwa mingana
ara zvino ndiri 26 zvamuri kuti yova ana obviously dzi 30s asi murwane re
36
36 in meditation yeze ibe ikadhiva sharp No, but look at it. Ningaona ukuthi ke bana 20 bana 36. Azibona awuchabonana.
Yeah, tides and
Zvibhake
I feel like zvibva
namba
napo.
36 ya muthu odzuraho hayani hamatsira akono every day kana 36 ya muthu ari makhwana anokovhuwa achishuma anojima.
Yeah, I
Inga's
wanna,
fun,
yeah,
you get
true.
it. So it's a nito mangala munhu achiri oh no I'm turning 37 and you're like what?
No, I dated the 6.
Damn, honey,
Oh,
you
the
are
girls, they
old.
womb. So I'm like, hey.
So I don't think zvikadhitovananda also it's just in terms of maturity.
Yeah, as long as no vacant. Now we're not vacant 20. It turns in a phone. 20 na 30.
Ngauri
Or is
also
it-
here's the thing vabafumakadzi ravi rari after 30 ndonga riva sichatovesana choice namusi vadha vana 50 vajiwa ngori huvo sichatovesana
Organized menopause.
huko kitimedzo chipinga time is
Time
money
is money.
and uone zvino and nikorifarikori no we don't want kids we don't want whatever ichitori 30 dari kunya kuita zvotangwamti ronova nayo apartment yerari kuira yono ronova nagoro
ubva zvigoenda zviraru nga 2 years.
varinorenga and uchikojiwa mumwe namumwe huvo sichasedziwa chikozikojiwa mumwe namumwe nomumwe namunna waamanda dupont
No. Obvera kakana.
opodiwa didn't you see go and trade niri amanda dupont you'll see
And the check and achieve but vachiona kari ndochiwana. Ndine
He
ndikuita
looks
ndisienda
like-
search. Ndari ari ndachiwana.
I don't know I don't know he looks like you can rearrange him like I don't know how to
Utonga
put
nyi
it
Venda.
huh
Utonga nyi Venda.
uto mthana ngamufixa
Venda.
Venda
Wafani.
not dibi ndichipulumbu ti chita sonya
Nga Ndika.
hayi angiti ndikakupinda hoste ufu auna zvito chone
Oh,
chitonga
uchi-
ndingachidzudzanya chitonga ari chivhumba ndingachifixa nari
Ntu utonga chilani chazvemurwa vantu.
Shami-
Zvabrasini. Ichila chantu.
chita
Kama
ndina-
udze nene apari yako. Ichila chinga chotwaso.
hayi
Angichani.
hafani naye cho achina company ya straight chitonga like chitonga chozvimba good found the word
Azana vakona. Azana yako.
found the word
No way.
oh guys I was like yo
Where is the word?
ndadivona ndichivoriwa 33 dari kusikojeshi kuna chiko yo I'm scared guys
Nah,
don't
Mara, you
choice
can't now, you're good. At least.
amara ari divure kusvikira lini
Then pray about it. People pray apparently. Songs go be himself run the weekend is away. So like yeah. Oh, I saw this other post on Facebook. Yeah, Tabani ne. Ufi this is smart what urengisa mafukada kana ori ukotio da angazifuna da full lovers. Vatu kara vachikonya gechida Venda kabaambe. Do you think it would be a good thing full lovers Venda?
for as much as ichirengisa zvithu zva fresh na mini na nama yavo iright ti airengisa fruits pedzi
Yeah.
like looking at like
Oh yeah.
Mara-
The meat is so good.
ndipfongari it's
Venda.
a bit unfair don't you think
Venda. That's what I thought also.
ngori heila class ihone inoiafforda inokodoiafforda and yodhara a lot of people have money in Venda they'll go there instead
also
of
people change.
ikodoburaya market people change ngori umbulani yare yadha kamsi mara usually aidzuri yangu
Also remember
muloni.
Woolworth yaisiyo mara una watu vanotorenga grocery Woolworth
yothe rune aricharenga navurotochipazani zvino for want woolies
Watu-
so it will change a lot and I don't think it makes sense ngori pano habeni ihone rikogidimera una chimwe special cha Tuesday cha food lovers chine vavoita the 10 running whatever
Yeah.
nichisvika hola mutengo sto unena korenga nga asi unena ngarenga ngawo market
Exact. That's what I thought.
Venda it's so
Nishitoto
cheaper.
monori,
Do you understand?
full
So I'm
lovers
like,
Venda na
we
price-
grow everything ahuna chine rikotochijia
Because what is
we
that?
literally grow it there
Vodori avocado 70 rand.
mara here's the
Amararo,
thing
kana
ari
maviri.
ikodayora food lovers zvikodova zvikobva gai zvithu zvavo hazvingadobva Venda
Nah, vadeda rizonyangojasu anenge ikule.
then if they're doing that it can't
adova
work
adhura. Remember they have to cover the transportation costs as logistics dzote. So yambori kazi nera badira pano.
ende ridorenga
Hauna watu vane vadhura.
vahone vathu ndikomba napena ulisi yorala uone muthu anakadiyorenga lingo ulisi olisiya mura wangu
Which doesn't make sense to me.
it doesn't add up
So like nalotofuna commenting among the killer post watakambo no it wouldn't do Venda and then nenda sokumbro okay maybe other sections as nama the bakery yeah apala zvinobva panda
mara ingasi they half with your
ito thepe and azvinga chimbi
so yeah I also don't think maybe areva vakupusha checkers you know instead yeah checkers
Checkers,
would
right?
make very because yeah
chakasiyone Lois mara itonga achipaza
you lie you don't score
itonga score yarapala you can pay other box
other works
no the score anymore
na discom
here logo
honey I'm old na discom
discom
Yeah, you could do a discam.
Apela
Discom. Hey, Maria rengisa zwo rengisa discam. Eh, I wanna let you know discom. Mara I rengisa zwo discam, right?
nachiranga masimbane pala ola
Eh.
Ayans.
Una batho bono grip apala.
just div na to ringiliwa so like yeah pala so hey.
Oh my god, no, I don't think it would be fair.
So you think checkers would be the
I mean,
best?
Venda ndika dikono to renga those robot peppers nga 10 rand apala startan. But no, I buy them for I don't want to know.
matamatisa 15 rand Venda
Asina, ndo to freezes.
zvino apano ne 15 rand hey asiba
Ni mavili?
ni mavili cash wamba
do you
unorenga
understand?
nge
Wamuna renga ulise wamba.
ati nere vatu organic ti rinyo survive.
No matter, like, for as much as ndichifuna ulise, I still struggle with buying everything there. Nditobana to specific.
Now you like the juice yange.
The juice is
And
like
then
juice.
The red meat yoni dangerous. Yo.
Nezvino meat ati because ndizotsina na butcher.
Try that. No, just try red meat here Woolworth. I don't
See?
know the koromo dzibva guy. Dzinge chimwe ndono koromela so woto thabirwa zvito. There's just something about
Ndobo
it.
mutu.
Zamburu mtu soft ti. Yeah, cool.
Those are mokenya mkonarvo.
Come to panda. And then to me.
God.
Nani kuona zi fizimini zino. The door-to-door campaigns ANC. There's those memes. It's fine.
Don't you think Marabako was a stager? I think they're doing that for that.
Yeah, then
No one
they're-
ain't going muna mungu.
Ndabonanga vakukuvisa chimwe
Chike
chikike
guru.
like kuroshora chisimbo chiko I'm like for the where
Mara kama ke guru kaya bolicha. They should convince us because vake guru vakadidho vote ANC. You can't move them from that.
what tike vakuvhotera mini ndivone vane ridhiswa
Your vote is not a secret in the studio. What are you voting for?
vovhotera mini this year next month
Vote I mean did this month though.
no
Msizi wani.
namzi ndi May damn happy workers day
Vako
arivalini
EFF mean
ANC
why?
hayi ina ti studio studio
Vatu vanoripeta ridzura navo wane pamsi.
hayi
Vatu vanokuita shango lile ngochimbira.
ane
Zvimwe zvimwe ndani ANC.
DA EFF IFP ke chingavomra inkata
Aunana kuvhotera Arise.
oh uzovhota ne
Upichovyerera, upichovyerera.
oh
Zvina zigzag asho. Vavo chibvisera mina.
na apparently ntu na mtu watasonga submit Ndika ku phone hey Ndika ni right uri mini Ndika
Sharp man. Remember call him.
unofona zvino richivoshuta mara na maramba enepa
Hey, usimaba.
ni live yapo vatu vanyangodhiva apo not even vatu ni mtu anda kufita naye
Ndikore kaufoniwe.
rinyangopfa zva asati
50
man
rand.
na 50 randa navo mancha Friday waita mini kagigi ya sneaker fest Aye.
Avazame.
ambani fast
Avambe fast.
ambani fast
Avari
abe
tatata.
nasaita zvino ti vatu vadori akuchabo zviamba nondokuchava zvaso nomba 50 rand yawe
Chere you babe guy.
chedeve 50 rand zvakuma dropa angasichaisenda voice note yeah so where were we
Zvamba chione cherawane.
oh that's
Rakamba Arise.
yeah oh Arise hopefully I mean I think
No, no.
nenda kunyagoriwa kana hopefully vawaita ntu vati avasongopanga vari kusubmita zvinhu zvavo namini and then out of nowhere basi pangwe kabalot afidzi kuprintwa vasiyo so I don't know zvofixiwa namini
Hey, that's crazy. Una mini? Kavari budze.
vako rifonene mpo
Ndika. Uri ukupfunga ndiye time. Odorpisa ndiye time.
uroshava
Uroshava uyu
mapungwa
50 rand ina
ndiloyara
rwa.
ridosiwiwa
Hey, rafarwa. Arina pen.
richisuwa uita mi
What
wait
did you make?
let's discuss this rasuwa kudoita mina pedu
Ujia Mike.
night aringopedza
Ha ropedza.
nendori mpo
Ardi rotari show uri.
achazokotecheresa chakudirindikane time
Hey, chakujengohamba na ndiki.
chikadhi yakopasa 50 rand
Eh.
favorite artist yacho tindiwa asati veva
Zvikaisvikipa.
zvintu oh damn ndonyakuhangwa chibhegeni changa ndichalight ndichienda chambara
Chilight as in
light in weight and color
why? Because no chambara.
mm.
So
not
she would
because of
realize
that eh?
Umbula bona skipa.
Change chikachiposi. Uri uyoita ntu. Chawapfa. Chanene phala. Into ribengisa.
Yechi ini no chiyambara china chilipi.
Ndani kuti chifita ti. Na mine.
Oh, this is so cute. I'm gonna wear it on Friday.
Una mine Friday.
On Friday ndiyambara casual.
Oh.
Difference ya changa.
Wait. Chidakanyana. Ntu. Remember we spoke of Temuri is just everywhere. Hey mngana. Hey ranetanga company yanu.
Ngitan.
Everywhere.
Really?
Nachigwencho skura. Na golf shit.
So meaning we're doing a great job as the marketing team, right?
No, I said they were job big wanganye. Company.
Oh, yeah, she chanu ini. She lighter. What do you mean?
Kechi.
No, mara yanga makuwa yanga yopumula msi.
Although ufinise into chima food.
Look. Come on, a difference. This makuwa is not there. Yangu yiko funga, yanga ifungi.
That's why niko wana zvibiri. Tiko ni panda.
Ndo wana zvibiri na zvibiri.
Niko uri ni dentu nita zvibiri. Ni yambe khala.
Ndinyi yabe. Leticia. Oh, so cute.
Come on, DM za view.
Why?
Just want to see something.
Mbona wewe chajiwa.
Kai zile phone.
Idodzi.
Inamba mina dechi.
Awuna ni mfano wanga. Kamera beshkipa.
Okay, this is the time Linda post them corner ti. Look what he commented. Cause I posted ndare.
Ini ndo uliza deji na mfaraka na mtu wako. This kibacha.
Ndichangishi no.
Mara why am I getting the one that looks like it's lighter? No matter why is fun is got your fun.
Out of the subscribers are fun. Ndayibona zvino ndene.
Ne why ndisongopiwa echo currently defect ione.
Ne adichijana ndito zvibiri wafa.
Zvoruka ridonga.
Ndiko zvipa ne.
I mean, ndikuyo uchambara nga Friday.
Nani ni chambara machero. Ufinyi wafa.
The G.
Oh, nice. So if we to ivhura ti mara ndori weekend itorari na kaviu ti like I have as beautiful as
as your person, yeah.
And then as a voice note tungoipindura tungoitechesa no
Hari mfano wangu is my boy. Mbona yangu uchajiwa.
That's fine, guys. Anyways,
no, but like there's nothing really.
Who's an industry person you date? Okay, you have said no one. Mike, oh sorry.
Urindinyi wa industry enda ngafana naye.
No ipindura ani mtu wa industry.
Ndizali ndicho spinura.
Bo episode below 10 there. Nera watu wantu.
Ndikalenyana.
Watu wazezizvo.
Asiwa, oh god, ndoita ngozi rectifier izvo.
Rectifier mwe of the watu vakono correct.
Asiwa blasi.
Ndo mean.
Oh, you're visekeria ono
watu.
Okay, because
watu watu zvino, right? Watu vani vasacha academy dzanga, vavudzeni.
Ini mpoka baopa abaturi na mtu.
Muri pasadi.
Ini kai ni abadi. Namzi na mtu ane ramdibaro te.
Ndia ignore ne.
Nani ndikuignore.
Okay, so anyways, guys.
Why zonga zikotiwa na ruambo. Tukafesa like I don't get it. Why is kotiwa ruambo?
We're vandela naka WhatsApp.
Anza basemi.
So anyways, mtu. Abe from me. Nanda ya radio ni mfano wangapi? Kaila shilepe shataka zeji. Nana mwe wita mini.
I was laughing the whole time.
Why do you say? No one like like I was just waiting for my name.
Nendo wana chikiba. Zuko dobia in foot.
I'm funny.
For real, guys.
Come on, I'm just going to phone.
Because I want to wear this. How am I going to wear this?
We're an hour in now. We should.
Why is one of your wafa? Such a crew. I'm rough up. And ujipa. Hello? Urban Pets. Ndishapo. Utanga ukompa chikipa chine achikufana na chao. I don't understand. Why is what those videos are funny?
The other one is, I don't know, color ela so fera sanda bodre mandi similar yana.
Similar meaning ndizvibiri. Ndiambara small one. Na medium. Ompa chine ndizvibiri zvonofana ti. Mara ne ompa ine the makhua like aikopenya. So I'm ndikuchengo chambara nga Friday. Uko nzima onobvisa na chilipi wena kubvisa chilipi.
Kuti shango rasini page. Chini fu kana fanari. Oh, urani neka ndi.
And opinde ndikodwana zvibiri kana mini. Aungofindi kuwana zvibiri. Korean ndinayo plug yo Korean ne. Ari hambe ndikachiona lini ndikudana white ndikudza ichina white. Machero arite machero. White is not nice.
Yeah, and they want to copy cotton, and they want to copy polyester. So
Oh.
cotton nice, but
Kaitire chimwe chimwe chine chadova nice.
yeah, let me.
Nice. Marosha hapo mus.
Yeah, I'm good. Why Kingsley not right now?
Kingsley is such a bad person. Hey, let's close this thing, guys.
So anything you wanna say?
Anything I wanna say?
Live, Rokaka.
And the last time ngosumla richita ndandori ni block a party yori riko integration na Uber ndakupfunga riko rest announcewa. Somebody hona no visa somebody announce at least dando churi.
Tichimwe chimwe chione nifala. Sponsor chimwe Instagram henepo, Facebook.
But I think zvekutobvesa kaini zvino. I think it's the whole algorithm thing.
Which makes because it's not algorithm, because algorithm we always assume rena search chitu chidobuya. This is what we speak about, and then every time ndichamba chitu na mutu ndijena ka Instagram the thing pops up. Ndingajena ka Instagram zvinoenda on idea food lovers
666 ropangwa cheap.
The mark of the beast. Anything you want to say is out of value?
Ndochuwesa. No, nothing, guys.
Jobek is
I
Benin,
think...
so.
Oh yeah, Jobek iko boma na musa boma guy.
Ngapa.
If you happy to be called valiwa, man.
Right.
Like there's a lot going on in a short period of time.
I feel like
Apenda sindwa ngafisto za komusora aboni wakadishuta.
Ndibati wano kozama zama nyana.
Bokuzama ida ndizitenda. And
this loti uslo lugwe. Findi mazama zama.
Oh.
Ne zama.
Like the ones by the mines.
Hey. Apenda nepandi mining, remember? Jobek, Egoli.
That is why we have a lot of homeless people.
Well,
I
never
guys,
said
I'm
that.
so lost. I don't stay in
So,
Joburg.
but then Kebulu fio tuku waya mdagasi, yesu kutoma mriro.
Utike bako mpento. Namze.
Okay.
Mana
Okay,
extra
them-
pot. Nditro skazwa zoro ko.
Ndangwa zungosu. Ndangwa chitu.
Let's close it.
So, yeah. Hey.
Ariola.
Ask
Koyol. Boita chiko stew so daro chila. Fire. Let's go eat, guys.
Other fire mtwanga ndiola. Wana ndara wadao.
Now I'm just craving real food.
Chana kerera ti.
Chana kerera. New hairstyle. Who's this? Ooh.
Zuka kamera. Chitonga lo.
Jamaica show.